students, in last video we studied the dielectrics. There are two types of dielectrics, polar dielectric and non-polar dielectric. And the last point in the last video is the polarization of a polar dielectric in an external electric field. Means in earlier video we studied the polarization of polar dielectric in an external field. So in this session we are going to study polarization of non-polar dielectric in an external electric field. Means the center of the positive charge coincide with the center of negative charge is called as the non-polar dielectric. In presence of electric field, means here the electric field is present. In presence of electric field, the center of the, here is the electric field is presence of electric field, and here is the electric field is not there. And in presence of electric field, the center of the positive charge of each molecule, center of the positive charge of each molecule which is pulled towards the electric field, and this center of the positive charge which is pulled towards the electric field, and because of this the center of the negative charge which is displaced in opposite direction. Means this negative charge, here we see this the negative charge which is displaced in opposite direction, and because of this the center of the two molecules are separated and the molecules get distorted. And here we know that the negative charge which is displaced in opposite direction, the displacement is stops because of the force exerted by the electric field. Means this displacement which is stopped because the force exerted by the electric field, and because of, and this force means force due to the external field which is balanced, the force due to these two charges, and this force is balanced. And that means each molecule have a small tiny dipole. Means here we consider positive negative means each molecule consists of a tiny dipole and they having a dipole moment. Means this induced dipole moment of different molecules, this induced dipole moment have different molecules add up and gives the net dipole moment. Means this induced dipole moment of these different molecules, they add up, means addition of these molecules gives the net dipole moment. Means in non-polar dielectric which is also produce a net dipole moment, and in earlier session we studied the polar dielectric in an external electric field. This polar dielectric which is also produce a net dipole moments, means polar and non-polar both dielectric which is produce net dipole moment, and because of this they produce net dipole moment, means polarization takes place. Because of the net dipole moment polarization takes place, and the formula for the polarization P is equal to chi into E. In earlier session we studied what is the mean by chi, and means E means chi means electrical susceptibility in electric field and electric field. Then the next point is reduction of electric field due to polarization of a dielectric. Means here means this dielectric which is placed in an external electric field, means dielectric which is placed in an external electric field, the value of the field inside the dielectric, which is less than the external field. Means they consider here the dielectric, means here consider a rectangular glass slab which is placed in an uniform electric field. Since electric charges are not free to move, these electric charges are not free to move about in a dielectrics, means these charges are not free, these are not free to move. So these charges are not free to move because of no current flowing through this, and in absence of current instead of the charges flowing through this one point to another point, there is the external produces the arrangement, slightly arrangement of these charges, and because of this, the slightly arrangement of these charges, they align with the field, means they are aligned with the field. During the process of the alignment, these charges move very small distance, this distance which is less than the atomic diameter, and as a result of the alignment of dipoles, this result of the alignment of dipoles means the apparent shift of positive charge on the right side and apparent shift of negative charge on the left side, which produces induced surface charge, and these two sheets which is produce induced surface charge, and these induced surface produced and field. This field is called as the polarization field, and means these two charges means induced surface charges produce field. This field is called as polarization field, and the polarization field which opposes the applied field, and so the direction of both these applied field and polarization field are in opposite direction. So here the net electric field, which is the vector sum of the applied field and the polarization field, both these are in the opposite direction. So the net field is equal to the E minus E0. E means applied field and E0 means the polarization field. E0 means net field, E means applied field, and E0 means the polarization field. So net field E, which is the vector sum of the E bar and E0 bar. So in this point we studied how the reduction of electric field due to the polarization of the dielectrics. Polarization of the dielectrics, if the greater is the applied field, then greater is the degree of alignment of dipole, and greater is the polarization. And then if the greater is the polarization and these dipole moments get disappeared, there means this dipole moment which is responsible for the attraction of charged object towards with an uncharged insulators. For example, the charged comb which attract with the uncharged bits of paper, and these bits of paper means insulator. There is attraction of comb and bits of paper. So in this video we studied the polarization of a non-polar dielectric which is placed in an external field, and the next point is reduction of electric field due to polarization of a dielectric. So in next session we will study about the capacitors and principle of capacitors. Thank you.